Hello guys, welcome to Tech Helpline. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to download AOL Mail app. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. The AOL app helps you get the latest headlines to fast loading email and trending videos. The AOL app brings it all together on your mobile device with email, news, weather, sports, and more. Notifications around breaking news and important emails help you stay informed and connected with the world around you. In order to use this amazing app, you need to download it first. So let me explain how to download AOL app on your Android device. First of all, click on Play Store app on your Android device. At the top of the page, you will see search bar where you have to type AOL and click on search button. Now click on install. It will start downloading. After it is downloaded, you can simply click on open button to start the app. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.